now we're going to go into the Sharpen tool, and if you look at my screen right now, you see a beautiful diamond, very impressive. Whether it's real or not, I don't know, but we're going to sharpen it. Alright, so what you'll do is you'll have to go to the toolbar again, and before we had the blur tool, and if you press and hold, you'll get to the Sharpen tool, which looks like the triangle. There it is right there. And once again, this is also using a brush, and I'll keep this brush the way it is. Now keep in mind that the Sharpen tool, well, there's only so much. You got to be very careful. It kind of enhances an otherwise dull image. This is a pretty good image. Okay, so what we'll do is kind of sharpen it a little bit, and let's see where it happens. So I'm just going to go ahead, as you can, I'll zoom in a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and click, and already you can see that the image is enhanced. Okay, it's enhanced a little bit. Let's show you. Okay, so you can see the sharpen only once because I just clicked once. But if I was to do a before and after, you can see a big difference. Okay, you can, in the latter, after I sharpen it, you can see through the diamond on the other side. Alright, so not sure which one is the better one, but certainly you can see that this area here is more highlighted. It's definitely sharper. Another thing you can do is use the lasso tool right here. Okay, let's go to the lasso tool and select only the areas you want sharpened. Like, say you want to keep this area right here, this white area alone. Let's go ahead and draw around the area. Let's just start with this area right here. Okay, and there you go. You see the marching ants? So if I just want to sharpen that one, let's see what happens. I'm going to click, and as you notice, it is definitely getting darker, but everything else is staying the same. So, and you'll see that I clicked at least 2 times, and you'll see the before. Okay, look at that, and after. Alrighty, so I'm going to go back to the before. There it is right there. And let me show you an easier way. Remember how in the blur tool we went to filter, Gaussian blur? Okay, well, the same thing applies here. Instead of using the icon, we can actually go to filter and sharpen. Look at that. Okay, and you've got a lot of options over here. So I usually choose Unsharp Mask. Why? Well, because that's pretty much all I know. But you've got several sharpen objects. If you click on sharpen, it just, you see that how it, you'll see a little slight change. It'll be reflective on the history palette right there, but it's hard to see. I'm going to go ahead and go up one, and you'll see a little bit of a difference. Now what I suggest you do is go to filter, go to sharpen, and then Unsharp Mask. Now you'll actually get some controls over here, so you can kind of control how sharp the object has to be. So if I click a little bit, you'll see right here in the preview, as long as you have preview selected, and you'll notice that you can only see part of the object. So you can click this zoom out button over here, and you can see more of the object, and then kind of move it over so you can see clearly what the impact is having. Alright, again, so there's no science, it's all in the eye, whatever looks good to you. And if you're satisfied up to a point, press OK. And let's see if you can see anything before, after. So, a small change, but a change nonetheless. So enjoy, and a diamond is everybody's best friend. Don't you agree? I think I do. Alright, see you later.